Hi and so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all a Coach unboxing of a new bag that I picked up from the Coach outlet. And before we get started, if this is something that you're into and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Also, do not forget to hit your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Please also like and comment, and let's get right into today's video. Okay, you all, so here is the package that I'm going to be unboxing with you all. And if you are no stranger to the Coach outlet, I'm pretty sure you know what this bag is. Yes, it is a Coach Nolita 19 signature canvas bag, and you will see here in a minute that I picked this up in the color blush. They did do a drop sometime this year with the color blush and various items, and I definitely wanted to get my hands on this specific one. Let's go right ahead and unbox her. I am so excited because I held this bag back for quite some time. I've had her for a while, but I wanted to definitely unbox her with you all. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. So as you all can see, we have that print on here that you can feel. It's like 3D, and that's exactly why I wanted this bag, because I have nothing like her in my collection. Let's go ahead and take this off. Let's get the strap. But oh my goodness, is this so beautiful, you all. They have her packaged very, very well, in which every time I receive my items from Coach outlet, they do have my items packaged very well, just like this. So no complaints there. Let's go ahead and put the little shoulder strap on. But here she is, all unwrapped. And I just think that it is just an absolutely beautiful bag. Now, the Coach Nolita 19s are actually my all-time fave. Whenever I am looking on the Coach outlet, for some reason, I'm just always gravitating towards what type of Nolita 19s that they have. With this one, we actually have the silver hardware, as you can see. Let's go ahead and unzip her. She is stuffed in the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and take the stuffing out. And I'm also just going to remove a lot of this packaging from the background. Oh my goodness, you all. So this is what she looks like in the inside. We actually have that same blush shade of pink in the inside, which I absolutely love the fact that it is pink in the inside. We also have up here in the little parts where you can actually hold some cards, the tag. And here is the tag for you all's reference. This is the Nolita 19 Signature LTH, and it's in the color. This is SV for silver / blush. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the tag back in here, because I'll definitely be showing you all what's in my bag with this beauty. And I love to keep the tags for you all's reference. So stay tuned for that. This is what we are looking like on the bottom, and this is my go-to bag, the Nolita 19s, when it comes to running errands, girls' night out on the town, really quick things that I like to do and just be able to just put down my girly essentials in. Love it. It's beautiful. So I also have an additional item that I already unboxed off camera that I want to show you all that goes with this bag. So here it is. I have the matching wallet, you all. There is the matching wallet, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom you all in so that you can get a closer look at these two paired together. So here is the wallet with the matching bag. And to be honest with you all, I thought this wallet was going to be extremely too large to fit inside of this bag, but they actually do pair very well. And I'll show you what the wallet looks like inside in just a moment. But I was wanting more of like a little card holder in this type of print. So as you can see, we have that same type of like CC print on here that you can feel, like that 3D. But yeah, they did not come out with the card holder in that type of print. They did have it in blush, however, it was the quilted design. And I just felt like if I wanted the quilted design, I wanted a quilted bag or just a regular like straight print of leather to match that. So I went ahead and I purchased this. So the Nolita 19 was $119 when I purchased it at the time. And this was $79. Both from the Coach outlet, and I am just so obsessed and I'm so happy that I went ahead and I made this purchase because I was so undecisive in the beginning whether or not I wanted to go ahead and pick up a blush collection item. But they are just so gorgeous. So now I'm going to show you guys more of an overview of what the wallet looks like inside to show you all what all the wallet holds. And then I also have a super cute purse charm that I would like to share with you all as well. Okay, so for the wallet, this is how you open the wallet up. As you can see, we still have the silver hardware on here. We have the front part of the wallet where you can hold some cards in here, even fold up some bills. And we have a place to put our ID right there. In the back of the wallet, we have a place for change. So this wallet is called Medium Corner Zip Signature LTH, and it is in the color Silver Blush. So yes, we definitely have a place to hold some change back here. This is a very spacious wallet. I love it. And we also have that beautiful shade of pink in the inside of as well, which I absolutely love. All pink everywhere, and I love that. So I'm going to show you all what it looks like inside of this bag. It definitely fits right in. So with this wallet, you're definitely fitting essentials only, which usually whenever I carry around my Nolita 19s, my wristlet with my key fob is usually on my wrist, and I'm usually holding my cell phone in my hand. So that's not a problem to have that outside of the bag. The wallet and like some lotion, perfumes, and stuff like that is just fine with me to just fit in here. So that's what we have going on with the wallet inside of the bag. And now I have a super cute purse charm that I will be attaching and sharing with you all. so here is the little cute cherry purse charm with the silver hardware that I'm going to be attaching to this bag. I am super excited for this. So I picked this purse charm up from Amazon, and I will have it linked down below for you all as well. And as far as linking these items from the Coach outlet, unfortunately, I do not believe that these items are any longer available. So I'm thinking that I'm going to be attaching this beauty over here to the side of the bag. And I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I just knew this was going to be adorable. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love this with this bag, you all. It's definitely a different shade of pink, but I'm loving the pink glitter. I'm loving the fact that it has the silver hardware, and I'm thinking that this is the closest shade of pink that I was going to get to this bag, and I think that pink on pink is pretty regardless. So I'm going to zoom you all in for you all to see how beautiful this purse charm looks on my bag. And I would definitely like to thank you all so much for watching today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you all that has been here from the start, my OG subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Do not forget to turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Okay, you all, so here is a closer up view of this beauty along with the super cute purse charm. Super cute. Love it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below, did you pick up any items from this blush collection? I'd definitely love to know. And I'll see you all back here again in my next video.